this video, we will show you how to record audio. In order to record audio, you'll need an input source, such as a real instrument's output or a microphone. To get the sound from this external source into your DAW, you'll also need an audio interface. An audio interface provides you with physical in- and outputs and converts the signal from analog to digital and vice versa. If you already have an audio interface, you can use it for this tutorial. If you don't, you can select your laptop's built-in microphone as the input. To select your input device, go to your preferences and to the audio settings. Select the device you want to use for recording. So either your audio interface or the built-in microphone. Now select the correct input on an empty audio track. You can do this by clicking this box. You'll see a list of the available inputs. Selecting an input will automatically arm the track for recording. When recording audio, use headphones to prevent feedback from the speakers back into the microphone. If you don't want to hear the incoming signal, you have to disable input monitoring. To do this, select the recording track and click on the little arrow above the send knob on the master channel. You have now disconnected the track's output to the master channel. To reconnect it, click on the larger arrow on the master channel. If using an audio interface, set your desired input level. Finally, to start recording, click on record and select audio into playlist as audio clip. Now you have learned how to record audio.